Hi guys, I have a pair of Honda CRV door cards to repair. I've removed them from the car and they're on the bench. If you want to see how to remove the door cards, I'll leave a link on the screen and in the video description for removing the CRV door cards. I'll just show the damage. So it's quite a common thing with Hondas. They have this armrest attached to the door card and the vinyl starts to peel away. The driver's side is worse than the passenger side, so what I need to do is to strip the door card down. Now, a good thing about Hondas is they don't plastic weld the parts to the door cards. A lot of car companies plastic weld everything together. Makes my job an absolute pain. If you want to see a welded together door card, I'll leave a link again and you can see how to remove all the parts from the door cards on a plastic welded one. So I need to remove more or less everything on the card. So this is the part that I need. Don't need any other part of the door card. So I'll remove the old vinyl. So I could take this apart and use it as a pattern, which I think I will do. Before I do that, I'm going to put a few match marks on it. So if you ever take something apart and use it as a pattern, don't just go ahead and take it apart. Put some match marks on. So I need to put a match mark there so I know where this piece starts. I'll put another match mark there, another one there, and then where we have the curve, I'll start there, and there, there, and there. See, there are match marks on this already, but just in case I can't take it apart the way I would like, so I'm just going to cut straight through the stitches here. So that's my two pieces. I'm going to offer this up to the driver's door card. They may be the same, but they may not. So sometimes driver's door cards are a little bit different because the controls are different. They have slightly wider armrests, but we'll see. I'll just offer it up. No, that's the same size, which is always nice. So I will steam this flat, both of them, and I will cut out 2 new pieces. So I've now got the 2 pieces steamed on the bench. I'm going to use the 2 pieces as a pattern, and cut out obviously a right side and a left side, one for the driver's side, one for the passenger side. Sew them together, re-glue them to the door card or to the armrest, and reattach them and then fit them to the car. That simple.